Okay, so let's go explore. We were just in the living room of the one bedroom at the Northbridge in the Village. Now we're going to go into the bedroom. The bedroom is super cute. It's very, it's pretty much a square, a little bit of a rectangle, but pretty much a square. It's got a lot of good wall space. I like that accent. Accent walls are starting to come back a little bit. So I'm seeing that again. I've been doing this for so long that I've actually seen them go in and out and in. Ha! So those are kind of starting to come back in. But you've got a lot of space here to put all the furniture you need. It's great. You do have you can put all the dressers and stuff like that, and then you do have this patio that's here. Let me see if I can open this up for you so you can see this. It's really cool to have this private patio. I like this a lot. So you've got this actually is two. So you've got the one patio out there, and then you've got this here. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the bathroom and check that out. The bathroom is super cool. It feels great in here. It feels really open. Lots of space for preparation, toothbrushing, all sorts of stuff that you need to do in here. There is your beautiful shower with your tub. And then, of course, we've got two important things about this. One of them is closet, closet, closet. We need a closet. We need closet space, and we got plenty. I've walked in. There is so much in here. It's amazing. Lots of closet space. So this is great. Love this closet. And then number two, not to be ignored, is the washer and dryer that is included. So that's a huge feature. That's not true with every apartment that you go to, but it is here at the Northbridge. Anyway, this is really, really good. Isn't this adorable? Hey, I need you to reach out to us right away because we want to help you figure out which apartment is best for you. It might be this exact apartment in the village, but it might be another village apartment. It might be other apartments, but we're going to help you solve that problem, go through options really quickly, and we have a 100% free service that does that. Reach out to us right away. You can actually text me directly. I'm at 214-492-9791, 214-492-9791. You can also reach out to us on our website, uptown101.com, uptown101.com/search. Fill out a free search request. We can't wait to hear back from you soon.